Hi folks, Brandon and Deirdre Levi here from Evolution Muay Thai. Today I'd like to go through a couple of drills on the clinch. In particular, the first one will be escape from a really bad tight top clinch. Okay, so I'll have Deirdre clinch me up, pulls my face all the way down to her chest. Alright, I'm motorboating. Alright, right now I'm in a lot of danger. She can knee me in the face or in the guts, a la Anderson Silva. Oh, okay, not too late. Now, what I want to do is, I want to kill this space so she can't get the knee. So first thing I do is I go round the back, I grab my own arms, either like this or like this, and I kill the space here, okay? Now right here we have what's called a backbreaker if we want it, but that is illegal, so we don't want to do that too much. A little bit of pressure is okay though. Now from here I'm going to work my way up, one arm at a time. I'm going to pull her head down to my shoulder. Right? Now this is a stalemate. She's still got the better grip, but it's starting to take her advantages away from her. I can start throwing these as can she. From here, I want to continue the escape. Whatever side the head's on, I'm going to go to the other side. Now notice this arm here. Now, I don't want to try to push that up because she'll notice that. She'll just aggressively lock it down. What I want to do is, if it's a little loose, I'm going to slide my elbow inside and just try to get through the armpit to here. Right, now I'm inside her armpit, I've got her elbow trapped, I've got basically what I call a side clinch. It's a good position for me and not a good position for her. If she does lock you down and you can't get in it, just maintain that body lock and you'll minimise the damage that she can put on you. Hope that helped. I'm Brandon Levi, Deirdre Levi, Evolution Muay Thai.